Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Arnu and today I'm going to do a pack with me video. I have had a few orders and I'm going to show you today. So I'm starting off with this custom sticker album in size medium. The girl wanted a sticker album that matches the journal she got. So I'll show you the journal in a minute and you can see if I did a good job. I think the colors look so good with the journal, so yeah, I love that. And this tissue paper was recycled. I don't normally use tissue paper because I don't want to buy it, but it was perfect to reuse and the color matches the order perfectly, and I got to use my sticker to close it off and it looks so cute, so yay for me. So a medium-sized sticker album is €9, and if you want the large one, it's €11, and it's perfect for sticker sheets. And this girl also asked me to put some stickers in there, so that's what you saw me do. As well as in the little goodie bag you get with each order, I added a bunch of stickers because she requested that. So yeah, and then we're going to move on to the journal. This is one of my older journals, which means it has really good sales. So I'll add in a picture of one of the others I got. I have a lot of Disney ones and some other children book ones, and these mostly are discounted to €15, which is a really good price for something so big that is handmade. So I am packing it in this big craft paper and adding my baby's breath like I always do, and this way it's just secured and still looking cute. And then we're just throwing it all together in a box with my goodies, my sticker that you get, and a postcard that gives you a discount code and just a thank you, obviously. So this time it was for a Dutch girl, so it was a Dutch card. Moving on to the next order. This girl ordered 4 times the daisy earrings because she ordered them earlier for herself and she really liked them, so she wanted to give them to her friends for Christmas, and I think that idea is so much fun. I have so many earrings up in my shop and most of them are €2.50 or €3, so it's really inexpensive. And I also got a sale going on where you get the third pair for free. So if you were to buy 6 earrings, you would get 2 for free. So you pay for 4 pairs of earrings, you get 6. It's kind of crazy, but it's a lot of fun, so definitely go check that out. This video is just me giving you tips on what to get your friends and family for Christmas. So yeah, I've had a lovely time preparing the Christmas envelopes for the people who ordered them, and I'm almost out of all of them, so I'm really grateful for that. And maybe next year I'll sell even more advent calendars. I had a lot of fun making them, and I just think that if I were to get more orders maybe next year, I could do it more efficiently with the shopping, because if you buy a lot of things at the same time, you don't have to pay shipping, and that could save me some money. So yeah, that would be nice for next year. But yeah, if you have not seen that video of me packaging a advent calendar, definitely go check it out. It turned out really pretty. So I'm really liking the way I package my earrings. We got this little mason jar cardstock that I just put holes in, and then the earrings go in it. And then I put these in these little bags that are so cute. For this order, I added the business card to each pair of earrings because I knew that it was going to 4 different people. I also have a gift packaging up on my shop, so if you want to buy earrings for your friends, you could buy those as well, and I'll package them in that. You can get me to write a message or their name with my typewriter on cardstock paper. It's pretty cool. So you could check that out as well. So yeah, I just really love this packaging. I think it's very unique and very easy to reuse. Like if you journal, you can just put this mason jar somewhere and the little bags are great to put goodies in for your pen pals or keeping your journals, or just keep whatever you want in them. And my business cards, yeah, I always journal about people, their business cards, and it reminds me of people, their shops. So yeah, and I think mine is pretty cute, so why not put it in your journal forever. Okay, so I'm just going to stop rambling on about this video. I really hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can also follow me on Instagram. It's Mae Journals No Bar. Don't forget to check out my shop. It's Mae Journals Shop, also on Instagram. And if you want to receive happy mail from me and support my channel and my shop, you can also sign up for my Patreon. It's patreon.com/maejournals. And you can always look in my description to see the information and the links to the pages. Thank you so much for watching, and I would love to see you next time. Oh, and Merry Christmas. Bye!